So the first thing that we are gonna need is just go to a website called adminds.com. Here I'm typing right now. And if I really tell you, he's an Udemy instructor, okay? I have learned many courses from him, okay? So here's the website, and when you come to this, you just need to go to resources, okay? As I have just clicked it, and you'll find that GoDaddy for hosting, okay? So here it is. You just need to click on the image or the link, whatever you want, on the image or the link, whatever you want, okay? So it's gonna just redirect me to the GoDaddy. Just wait a second. It's open right now. So here you can see web hosting with free domain on sale. It's saying 99 rupees per month. So let me just convert it into the USD, okay? US dollars. And now it's saying for $1 per month, okay? So here you can see we have some of the plans, which is economy, deluxe, or the ultimate, okay? So here as you can see, we have unlimited bandwidth. It's saying that we have just a free business email also for the first year, okay? And one website, okay? But we can also create many other websites like this by folder wise. If I just say gallery, it's gonna open another link or something like that. Sorry, it doesn't have in this page, okay? But let me just say CI, it should also don't have, it's don't have, okay? But these kinds of how we can create it, okay guys? What's it? Let me just close it. Right, so as you guys can see this, if I just say resources.winds.com, okay, and it's not loading because he didn't set the subdomain, but we can also do that. So you just have to click on the economy, which is very good for a basic site, okay? And then you will get a free domain. So let's just say that type the name of your domain. You can get the .com, .co, .in, .org, okay? Let me just select it. So let me say that I'm gonna buy this one for the test. And yeah, it's free. As you guys can see, it will cost the $40, but it's free right now, okay? So here you can see, or get one of these. So these are which we will include also the .co, which is $35, okay? So you guys can get any one of those. So let's just select it. It's added, okay? And it will gonna redirect us automatically to the checkout page, okay? To the checkout page. And yeah guys, so let's just select this one. It's going to the checkout page. So let me just see the page of the admin. Let me just close it, okay? So here you can see your valid promo code. You got a great deal. It will be automatically enter the promo code. But if not, here you can see, let me just go down. But first let me just see all things are correct. Here you can see you just have to, if you want your information will be public, it's saying. That means your all the information, which server you used to do it, okay, or whatever. So let me just show you an example right here. We just need to go to the whois.domaintools.com, and if you don't know what is whois IP lookup, then I will definitely tell you in my next video. Just comment it that you want to get the video, okay? So here we are in the page. We just need to copy the URL of the website, anyone which we want to see the information of it, And here we got all of the information like registrar, when did it being created, when it will gonna expire, who's the company that people registered from. So you can just add it, but it's think costly. Okay, so we're not gonna say that. And if we just say for 2 years, it's gonna cost us $14, almost $15. But if we just say for 1 year, it will just gonna cost us $0. Okay, as you guys can see, economy Linux hosting, if we just set it to 2 years, it will gonna cost us $83.88. But because we are using the promo code, as you guys can see here on the screen, okay, we just get this special deal. So you just have to enter the valid promo code of that if you are not getting it. And then if I delete it, here you can see the price is $16. Why? Because in economy Linux hosting, it's costing us that much. The .com domain is almost free. Then let's just paste this again. Let's just paste the promo code, and here you can see you got a great deal, and we got again the $12 deal. Okay, so now you guys also know how to do it. Okay, so this is it, guys. Here you can see how to do it, but I'm gonna be showing you guys if you're Indian or if you're registering it from any other currency. Okay, it will gonna cost you guys 188 rupees, which means, okay, let me just show you. $12 equal how much? Okay, $12 price in India. Okay, sorry, INR. And here you can see it's 847 rupees. If you're Indian, it will not gonna cost us 847 but 1188. I don't know why this. Okay, so that's it, guys. You can also register the .org, which is also an awesome domain, which you will have to pay for it much more. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, share with your friends, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the whois.domaintools.com. If you like this video, share with your friends, like this video, comment me. Goodbye.